In 2024 alone, over 58 gigatons worth of CO2 equivalent was released into the atmosphere, heating our planet. These emissions heavily impact our world, causing temperatures to skyrocket, sea levels to rise, and animals to lose their habitats. Almost 90% of these emissions were from burning fossil fuels to produce energy to power our homes. So how can we increase our sustainable energy output? There are four main sustainable ways: wind, water, solar, and nuclear. For wind and water, a propeller is spun by a moving force, either the wind or flowing water. This thereby causes the generator to spin, generating electricity. However, solar panels don't use generators or propellers. A solar panel is usually made up of many photovoltaic cells that, when hit by photons, release electrons, creating electricity. But nuclear power is a little bit different. With the world's current technology, we can accomplish nuclear power using fission. Fission is the splitting of atoms and causes heat to be released. The heat is then contained to boil water, creating steam to spin a propeller. Fission is drastically more efficient than burning oil or coal, generating 1 million times more energy per kilogram of fuel. Fission has already been used in many US nuclear submarines to prevent resurfacing often. But there is a power generation concept that is more powerful than fission. Fusion happens when an atom bonds to another, but the specific type of atom plays a role in the energy output. Fusion is used in the sun, which outputs massive amounts of energy, and fusion is 4 times more powerful than fission. So you might be wondering, why aren't we using nuclear power? Well, fusion is in its early stages of development, and fission is highly controversial. These solutions may leave you wondering, what can an ordinary civilian like you and I do? Fortunately, there are many effective answers. Most households have a heater. In fact, 30% of household emissions are from heaters. This means simply turning off your heater for just a couple of hours a day saves tons of energy. If everyone in your local neighborhood started using their heater efficiently, you could save up to 1/3 of your town's energy usage. You can also replace any incandescent light bulbs with LED light bulbs. Through this process, you can save 90% of the energy originally used for lights. Saving energy may be a hard task in some situations, but consider the planet you are saving. There are clear upsides to saving energy, and now is the perfect time to make a change.